Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can add your website link on your LinkedIn profile. Well, adding your website link on your LinkedIn profile is crucial for several reasons like transparency, discoverability, and networking, etc. Anyhow, whether you have a website, personal blog, or a portfolio showcasing your expertise and skills, a clickable link offers a direct gateway for others to explore your work, reinforcing the information presented in your LinkedIn profile. So to add your website link, go to your LinkedIn profile, and here you can see that there is no link has been added here so far. And to add a link, you have to turn on the creator mode if it's not already. So to turn on the creator mode, just click here, and it will open a small window where it will show you some features you will have, including them is adding a custom link to your bio. So just click on next and then turn on. And then go to my profile. And here you can see that the creator mode has been turned on. Now just click on this pencil icon and scroll down to the bottom of this window. And click on Edit Custom button and then select Link. And here you can add your website or portfolio link. And then click on Save. And here you can see that your website link has been added. Well, if you want, you can embed your link too if you don't like it to show up like this. So to embed it, go back to the Custom button and add the text you want, and then click on Save. And here you can see that your website link has been embedded. And this is how you can add your website or portfolio link to your LinkedIn profile. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.